know, another part of the thingy. Questions. With the new show, is there any particular people you'd like me to interview or topics you'd like me to talk about? You can put them on the screen here. Uncle Tommy. New Englander. Smell the club. Ashbourne. Yeah, Sligo was an amazing place. Buffalo. Have I seen the yellow sign? Well, that's just not what the what you call the safety jackets are. Neil Oliver wouldn't come on my show. He's much too big. I'm a nobody. I mean, I really like Neil Oliver. The gin, yeah, well, that's all. It's going to be a recurring theme. That one, you can be guaranteed by that. But Alan Watt, well, the man is dead, so I kind of can't have him on unless I do a seance.